So you can go down to a 15-minute bar once you see the market starting to set up in the 3-bar reversal. What does that mean? Well, remember, we have 1, we have 2, possibly 3 hits along the resistance line. The next time the market comes up, we start counting bars. 1, 2, 3. That's where we start looking for the 3-bar reversal. So if that sounds unfamiliar to you, check out disc 5 and disc 6. Those are the 2 discs where I go over 3-bar reversals as well as some of these counter trend trading tactics. You can also go onto the website and check out the advanced trading tactics to get some better insight into how to trade some of these bars. So we did have some good trading. The market now is really just sort of sliding off. You can see the momentum pushing to the downside. I don't have Hercules up and running quite yet, but let me talk a little bit about Hercules. So here, you can see again, I didn't have Hercules running in time to get enough data for this video. But while Hercules is running, you want to keep your eye on where the currency pairs are the strongest. So, for example, if the Canadian dollar here was strong, then you'd want to focus on the Canadian dollar. On the other hand, for example, if we see that the US dollar is weak, and the British pound is also weak, then what is that telling us about the possibility of a big move? Well, bottom line is, it's not very likely. In other words, more often than not, when you see Hercules not giving you a big change, in other words, where, say, the US dollar is equal to 4 and the British pound is equal to 3.5, this is telling you that the market is probably not going to trend very strongly. Does that mean it's not going to move? No. Does that mean it is impossible for the market to get going? No. But in an ideal situation, what you want to see with Hercules is that one currency pair, like for example here, the Australian dollar is high at 7, and the other currency pair here is low, for example, below 3. Because the Australian dollar then is very strong, you'd look to buy the Australian dollar and sell the US dollar. So for the British pound, in order to make a trade, we'd like to see this currency pair 7 or higher, and we'd like to see this 3 or lower. That'll give us a really good indication that one currency pair is quite a bit stronger than another, and it also implies that we have a trend brewing. So for now, there's nothing really going on. You can see there aren't any patterns setting up. The market has a little ways to go before it starts to enter some of the stronger support. Although if you are short, I would expect this to probably carry on all the way down to about 1.9310. So about another 100 points, possibly as low as 92.60. So I would definitely keep my eye on 92.60 as a target and 93.10 as a target if you're already short.